Hello, I have got a very important video tutorial for you because I noticed that Blender does not really preserve colors when you render some of your renders. For example, to JPG, I will show you because you will see the difference when you save to JPG or WebVP. This format. I will try to fix that issue and I will explain what you could do because you will see the difference when I open up save the image. This is image which I saved. This is image which has been rendered, which has been completed. But I will show you what you can do to preserve colors. You can also save to different format. Open EXR. Because there is program which can open up those files. Open EXR can be opened by GIMP. You see how colors are dark and rich? It looks exactly like our render. Now after using GIMP, we will be able to export as to JPG format. Actually, I will have to rename file because I already have in JPG format. And you will see exactly the same final result. This is our file which I saved to JPG. This is in Blender's window. It is a little bit too bright. Okay, I will check. You can still edit colors, but you can still use GIMP. But it's not exactly the same colors. Well, we can still improve our Open EXR render because this is like file which is not compressed. I forgotten we also have advanced options. What we got? I don't know what fast integer or floating point does. I will leave as it is because I didn't do research on that option. Oh yes, finally. It looks fairly good. I cannot complain because it looks okay. It's not too bright or too dark. That is my project. Also, this is what I done in Blender. You can see I got different renders, but they seem to be too bright. I hope you like my video tutorial. You can export render to Open EXR when you use the newest Blender, because I use Blender 3.5.1. This is actually update which I was talking already about. Hopefully you guys have a nice day, and also I will show you my German house which I have modeled. I also use the like dissolve for creating that advanced shape and bevel modifier. I would like to discuss bevel modifier in the near future.